Hi, this is David Williams from Expert Advisor. In this video, I'd like to quickly introduce the latest version of our software. We're calling it VTS 6 Beta. This is beta because this is a huge new release. The last set of releases that we've done for the EA Builder have been the version 4 series, and that's what most users have right now. But what we've done with version 6 is we made a lot of changes, architectural changes to the software. It looks very much the same to start with, but these new changes are going to allow us to add features that users have been asking for quite some time. So if you go into the members area, which I'm showing here, you'll see in the top left there's VTS 6 Beta. And if you click on that, they'll bring you to a page where you can click on the link to get to the actual download. Now, there is an install button here. When you click this install button, it's simply going to download a setup.exe file, and that's your typical Windows installation file. And I've already done it here, but after you do download that, you double-click that, and it installs VTS just like any other Windows program. And once you install it, it looks very much the same. There will be an icon on your desktop that says MT4 EA Builder. And like I said, the application itself looks very similar to the 4 series, but there are some differences. And so this is what it looks like. This is what the VTS 6 Beta application looks like. Very similar. There are a couple of differences that and you might notice right away. We're wanting to introduce foreign language support, and that's what we have here. If you see this button and you click this, you can choose from about 14 different languages that we've translated so far. So if I click Spanish, I'll change it to Spanish. And then what this message says in Spanish is that you'll need to restart VTS to get all of the strings translated. So what that means is any windows that are dynamically built like this will have the Spanish text. But some of the windows that get constructed when you first load the application, those will not have been translated yet. So what you do is you close VTS and restart it, and then you're completely in Spanish. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to English, and I'll have everything in English right now. So, like I said, the structure is pretty much the same for VTS. We have the welcome screen. We have systems if you already created them over here. If you want to create a new system, it follows the same pattern. You click EA Builder. It presents you with the name of the system, and you build it. We have the toolbox to the left, as usual, with all the new elements and the different functions. This pretty much looks the same there. So small changes here and there, but it's mostly the same. We do the same thing where we drag and drop functions onto the drawing board, and then we can click them to configure. So this very much looks the same. But again, the architecture that's driving it is very different. One of the things you might see when you download the beta version and anything from the 6 series is different prerequisites. And one of them is a Microsoft local database. And so what we're doing is we're using a database, a small database that's local on your Windows machine to save all the information that you see. And that's probably the biggest change architecturally, and it allows us to do a lot of different things going forward, like I said, to support new features that are still coming in. So that's about it for now. This is the first couple of beta releases, and we're going to keep on going. We have a pretty aggressive schedule to keep on popping new software out. And you'll get notifications once you install the beta software that there's new software available, and you'll get the downloads right away. We'll be going through and introducing all the features that are in the current 4 series, including all the plugins. And then at that point, we'll begin adding the brand new features that people have been requesting. So thanks very much for watching. And if you have any questions, just send us an email over at expertadvisor.com. Thanks. Bye.